This is another neat piece. I bought this. It was a flat car with this concrete truck as a load from Menards, and I was pretty lucky because right there at the very beginning there's like a collar. So what I did was went to a hydraulic shop and got this real long O-ring, and then I used the same type of motor and got a pulley and put on it, plastic pulley, and you just put a little tension to it and it continues to go around. I bought some other concrete mixers from Menard, but they weren't made the same, so they didn't work out for me, but this one really did because of that collar.